Well, the thing that everyone will have noticed is that the referee and his team stopped the contest. They pointed out to him that it was wrong, and he went off and changed it. So hopefully that's a message that they will see, that they need to be a little bit more careful about that sort of thing. But it was handled well, and he got thrown for a point anyway. So.
That's true. And when you talk about the refereeing, the referee has a very big job. He also here for these junior Europeans.
Yeah.
But give him one job more to watch the kimonos and advertising or
they
some colors.
Don't need that. Yeah.
It's better that other people make that, you know. They're the responsibility not to put a bad referees.
And now that you're here, this again for me has been another tournament where I can't remember really one single bad refereeing decision. More and more I'm seeing